to Super Gold, where every meal comes exciting. You know, this is all about meals. You're making your meal so exciting, you enjoy it. Making your old favorite comes exciting, you know, and making it healthy. Revert to the video where we do the pressed crust. So we made the doughs, we'll show you the doughs, how to, so it's the dough today we want you to wrap it. So this is fish pie. So this is mackerel fish, Titus. Oh yes, this is mackerel fish. So right about now, what I'm doing to my mackerel fish, it has been washed. I drop it in water. I told you this is goldminearoma soup mix and the best alternative for pies. So just so you know. And that's it. A quarter of a cup. Just almost a quarter of the cup because the fish is quite little. My onion. Ta-da! I want us to show it. So guys, this is the fish pie. Just another video we are going to pull up will be mixed meat pies. So guys, thank you today for watching this episode of fish pie. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and put the notification button so that we will notify you, be notified when we upload new video. Thank you so much for staying by. Bye for now.